All right, Amanda, you still here?
I am.
All right, where are you zooming in from?
London in England.
Okay, grand. Where in London?
In Harrow?
Where?
Harrow. It's
Okay,
North London.
okay. I was just there last autumn. Okay, so you said I'm a mind, body, spirit practitioner. I have a decent clientele, but I'm having trouble signing students up onto my courses. Any advice on how to market my courses, mainly Bowen therapy, intro course, professional training, and my emotional reset courses? Okay. So why do you think you're having trouble getting people to sign up?
So quite similar to what Leela was saying. Budget, I think, is one of the main things. It's a 2-day course. It's £299, which over 2 days isn't a lot of money. Um, but to a lot of people, it is a lot of money. And also the explanation. I mean, bone therapy, I don't know if anybody on this call knows what bone therapy is, but it's very difficult to explain it. And depending on who you're talking to, I might have a different pitch. Um, so it's just, I mean, I have an Instagram, I have LinkedIn, I have Facebook, and I put information out on all three social media platforms. But
Yeah.
getting people booked on the course is so incredibly hard.
Okay, got your back on this. So the one thing is, of course, the ideal client piece. I'd recommend there's that webinar I've got on ideal client for most of you. This, I mean, it's just really good. So do consider checking it out. If you're in the membership, you get access to it for free. But honing your ideal client, that's the place to start because it's who are we trying to reach? Um, Number two is this, okay, so people who are into Bowen might also be into XYZ, and my ideal clients are people who are also into XYZ will help you start to hone where to find them. But then, okay, once you have some sense of who they are and you're already reaching some people who know you and, have had some experience with you. So one thing you can do, I've got this from a colleague of mine, Rebecca Tracy, is you email your clients if you've promoted and you just say, "Hey, I put out this thing and there was no response. I thought there would be, and I just love some feedback on, what was missing, or is it the price? Is it the timing? Is it just confusing what it is?" Consider for all of you, consider if you have an offer that falls flat and you don't know why, just asking your people, "What's up? Like what happened?" With the assumption it's something on my end, not blaming them, not like, "Why didn't you sign up, you stupid people? You don't understand the genius I have." It's not that. It's just, boy, I can't figure it out. And the other thing is, this is not about money. This is absolutely not about the money. And I would just underline this. I mean, yes, are there people who have financial struggles? That's true. But those same people who are saying, "I can't afford your program," they're getting their nails done. They're getting their hair did. They got that new big screen TV. They took that holiday somewhere. So it's almost always a matter of they don't see the value in it for them. They don't understand why it's worth the money. It's not that the cost is too much, it's that the perception of value is too low. And so I'm going to share this with everyone. This is a link um, from my website. So marketingforhippies.com/value slider is the link. And I'll do a little screen share so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is from a book by Tom Poland called Leadsology. The link's here. But he had a great assessment that you can give yourself around this value question. In marketing, there are three things we need to establish, these three in this order. First, relevance, then credibility, and then value. So now it could be that people just don't see the relevance. That may be it. They don't see why this is relevant to them at all. So that's why they're not buying. It could be that it's like, "No, this is relevant, but I don't know if I trust you, to deliver on this." And third, it could be, "I don't think this is valuable enough. It's not worth the money." And so You'll see there's a bunch of videos here, but there's some external things to check. And so you can go through a whole list of these. Like, does it offer transformation that's relevant to your client's needs? And on and on. And if you click here, it'll take you to a quiz, which will not give you a tally. So don't click submit at the end until you're done. But then it'll email you what your individual scores were. You'll have to do the tallying yourself. It's just a Google form, but this will give you a sense of where your offer is strong and where it's weak, because there's 9 different things. The relevance is one piece, but there's 9 different pieces. And you may get a very clear sense of why there's no response based on going through that evaluation yourself. Does that make sense, or how am I doing
Yeah,
explaining?
it does. Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Enjoy. See what you come up with.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.